So today we're gonna be playing Granny Chapter 2. I know I already beaten it, but we're gonna play it again. And I'm gonna be playing it from my phone, so hold on. Hold on a minute. Sorry that it's black on the screen, but I just have to get this pulled up. Hold on. How are we doing? There we go. Alright. Bring this closer to me. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. Normal. There we go. Let's move this out of the way. Alright. So then maybe I can pull up a little bit. I'm gonna move my desk out of the way. There we go. Now I have plenty of room now. This was free too on the Play Store. Anything behind this corner? No, nothing behind there. No, nothing in there. Nope, nothing in there. Nope. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh, Grandpa's coming. Oh, how did he get me? I was going downstairs. Some people, you should try this mod. But I can't put it in the link because I'm playing it on my phone right now. Alright. Alright, let's head back upstairs. Don't get me, Grandpa. Alright. Anything in here? Nope. Nothing in these drawers. Ooh, helicopter. Now you can control a helicopter. Nothing in the clock. What's in here? Anything? Spark plug. That goes to the boat downstairs. But they're not here. Ooh. Itchy. So, let me check behind here. I believe there was a boat down here. Let me see. Yes, there is. Okay. Let's put the spark plug right over there. We are visiting Granny's pet octopus. Oh, duct tape? What does that go to? I hear her spider breathing. Why is he so angry? Alright. No! Grandpa!
Don't trust your paycheck, which is any old app. Get Varo.
Yeah, there's an ad.
Bank, and there's no minimum balance, which means it's free to sign up. And if you qualify,
And then with this bull crap. Alright. Nothing in that drawer. I think I may have to go to practice mode. Oh, itchy. Again. God, I'm itchy today. Ooh, the gun. The stun gun, it is. Shoot it! No, I was too late. I was too late. No. Are you kidding me? Alright, I think I'm gonna have to go to practice mode. Alright, let's go to the main menu. And I'm gonna go to practice mode, which means Granny and Grandpa are not home. But I'm still gonna be scared because I think there's still other creatures that can kill me. Like the octopus. Alright. Now this should be a free run now. Alright. Anything behind over here? No. What's up here? Anything? Duct tape. What does that go to? Ooh, security key. I'll take the security key. We'll bring that upstairs. What's in here? Door handle? That goes to the door. If we need that, I'll come back up for that. Glass fuse? I don't know what that goes to still. Oops, I didn't mean to hide under the bed. Ooh, a stun gun. I think that might be for the spider. But I'm not going to shoot him like right at this instant right now. Alright. Hand wheel. I'm going to put that down right there for now. Oh, I forgot. I think we're going to need the stun gun to get to that other side. Weapon key. Alright. I think we already have a gun right over here. The stun gun. Alright, let's pick that up. Let's aim it right on target upstairs there. Alright. Go up. Get it right on target. Right on target. And go. Alright. I think now we need the cutting pliers now. Pick it up. Alright, so let's go downstairs and maybe then now we can shoot the spider. Sorry, I have a cough today. It went away for a little bit and then the cough came back. Oh shoot, I don't want to go inside the water. Where are you, spider? I want to wait for him to come out. We could could also crouch. Are you coming? Can't sit here all day. Maybe we could try to get him over there. This is probably not going to work. Maybe I'll just wait for him. Marty, are you coming out or not? What's down over here, though? Oh, just that. We don't have the wrench yet, though. Is he coming, that spider? Alright, I guess we'll go to that later then. Alright, what's behind there? Alright, nothing behind there. Boat key, we'll need that later. What's behind here? Nothing. Interesting to know that there's nothing behind there. Helicopter key? Where would there be a helicopter? Maybe we'll try escaping by the helicopter. We'll see, okay? I think we need the wrench, too. Where would we find that? Maybe we'll try looking upstairs again. Where's the wrench? I'll try looking behind here. Alright. This is what I struggle with. Like, move. Alright. Crouch. Let's go under here. Crowbar. That's exactly what we need right now. Oh, I think I heard of the helicopter on here. Cutting pliers. That is exactly what we need now. I know I keep saying that. Sorry. Alright. What's behind this? I guess we gotta wait for that to disappear. It's disappearing. Ooh, it's the boat steering wheel. I'm gonna go put that on the boat. Oh, but maybe we should try escaping by the helicopter, though. Yeah. So I think on this side... Oh, yeah, you need puzzle pieces. That's exactly what you need. And then we need the shotgun. So where's the... Oh, there's one. Head back upstairs. Put that right there. Alright. Oh, I think I know where the last two are. I think one's in the bathroom and I think one's down where you would use the wrench. Hold on. Oh no, it's not in the bathroom. Alright, I was wrong then. I think I know where this one's right down here. I think, yeah. where you would use the wrench. Yes, I was right this way. Alright. Have an itchy foot right now. Hold on. Ugh. Another one right over here. Boom. All we need is one more. Alright, good. Is there any puzzle piece in here? Alright, let's unlock this door. There's the last one. I can't believe they actually have a helicopter in this game. That's pretty cool. Let's go up the not the helicopter, I mean the ladder. There we go. Alright. Now let's go. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think you have to try to shoot it on target. I think that's when we need the shotgun. Let's grab the weapon key. Let's go back downstairs. Let's go get our shotgun. We're making progress here, guys. We're making progress. Alright. Got the weapon key. We got the shotgun. Let's go back up and see if we can make some more progress upstairs. God, everything is itchy. I'm so itchy. I don't know about you. You may be fine, but I'm itchy right now. Ugh, I gotta take a break and itch. Oh yeah, alright. I'm gonna try to wait for it to go down. Oh! Okay, good. Alright. Oh, I missed. We need 2 more bullets. Let me grab them. Oh no, I did it at the wrong time. There we go. Need 1 more. Maybe we should get 2 more just in case. Alright, let's get it next time it goes down. Missed. I always mess up. Oh, it's down that way. Oh, I didn't shoot. I hit shoot. Shoot! Good. I think now we can go to the helicopter and do the stuff now. Whoa! Why am I back down? Oh, I think it needs a glass fuse. So that's what that thing is for. Oh, I think I'm starting to get the hang of this mod. Starting to get the hang of this. Was it down here? I think it was upstairs. Dang it. itchy leg. Let's grab that. Alright. Put that in there. Good. Now I think we can get across. Whoa! That's the helicopter for Granny Chapter 2? Whoa! I think I would have known because I saw some other YouTubers play this too. Alright, I think we still need the gasoline can, so we still have a lot of finding to do. Where's the wrench? Now I'm looking for that wrench again. Let's get the crowbar again. So I think there's also one downstairs too. Alright, I have the crowbar. Spark plug. Dang it, we don't need the spark plug. Alright. Where's the wrench? I haven't checked these drawers completely yet. I don't think I did. Nope. Nothing in there. Not one thing in there. Anything in the piano? No. Is this the gasoline? No. Is that it? No. Is this the gasoline can? No. 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 Where is it? Wrench! That's exactly what I need. Oh, there we go. I forgot about that. We would have crashed in that helicopter then. Then we're gonna go grab our stun gun, or whatever we have. Only place I haven't checked is the microwave. To get back out, let's go get our gun. Oh yeah. Let's shoot it. Oh dang it, I missed. Oh, I did it. Thought I missed, but I didn't. Ah. Safe key. Let's grab the safe key. Sorry. Stop wailing. Gasoline, yeah. And I think all we need is a helicopter key, then we can escape through the helicopter. I never been through the helicopter before. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's like a security camera. I don't think we really need that though right now. Let's fill it up. Fill her up. And there we go. Get right on target. Do I really have to fill it all the way? Like, can't this helicopter run if it was like half full or like a quarter full? But you know what? We got it full. Alright. Don't need that anymore. Oh, I see there's a... Oh, I think that's what that duct tape is for. I think that's what it's for, guys. Alright, I'm starting to remember stuff from other videos. Can I go down? Okay, good. Itchy again. Alright, let's go back down here. Alright, we are visiting Granny's pet octopus. Oh. Dang it. Forgot it moved. That was in the last one. Is it in here? No, that's a spark plug. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay. Pick it up. Alright. Fix the blade. There we go. I think all we need is the helicopter key. I want to go down. Alright. So this is actually Granny Chapter 2, if you're wondering, yeah. But I'm playing on practice mode. That means they are not home. Thing over here? Nope. Oh, it's over there, I think. Yeah, it is. Alright, let's see. Whoa! Whoa. The end. Oh well, guys, that was Granny Chapter 2. I can't believe we got to escape with the helicopter. Oh well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.